Hello guys, so we're playing Roblox. I'm finally playing my own Roblox guys. Let's go. So by the way guys, my name is Samsam2. Samsam Yanteha. So we're gonna play I don't know. I don't know girl yung eto. Kasi troll smart at IQ Tower. By the way guys, I'm 1 IQ. Joke lang, man ako 3 MIK. What the frick? I don't have like that. I don't know that was just So, by the way, girl, it's not po. Ay. To yun. Marunong lang ako, guys, eh. Oh, no. Ayan, I don't like that. Okay, what this? 4 times 2. Okay, alam ko to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom! Haha, that is so easy. That is so easy. Kasi guys, yung X means paulit-ulit yan siya. Paulit-ulit. Oh my gosh. Kasi guys, magaling na ako sa mga, oh, boom. Okay. Tapos namatay. Ay, naku, ang gugulo dito. Frick. I'm gonna die. Stop! Ang crazy ninyo. Guys, no. Hindi ako unlock first level. Are you serious? For that one lang? I don't own the ha? Hindi ko own yung Roblox, tang ina mo. Kala mo own ko yung Roblox. Kala mo may talaga ako, te. I'm not, girl. Nagre-record ba ako? Okay, nagre-record. Oh my, frick. Ay, sorry guys. So, yun na lang talaga. So, let's complete the tower. Wag na. First time, dito muna tayo. Oh my gosh. Hulog ako dito. First, okay. Frick. Fatty ass. I'm gonna throw them a little bit. Hindi siya. Serious mode na to, ha? Serious mode na to. Okay, frick. Okay. I have one last chance. Pota. Ang galing. Seriously po, tsaka event 53,000 million. Kala mo, kaya ko yan. Hindi ako nag-spend Robux because I don't have Robux. Yeah. Because I don't have Robux, sorry. I'm just a kid. Because I'm kid. Okay, I don't matter what I say. Ewan ko. By the way, guys, I'm 7 years old and ewan ko. Pero marunong pa rin ako Okay, dito tayo. You want that way. I didn't want that way. I want that way. Okay. Alam ko na to, te. I'm sorry, te. I'm gonna die like this, girl. Angela Pota. Angela mo! Putang ina! Ayoko na. the next game. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Freaky pong ina mo, ha? Dito sa saan? Yan. I'm gonna change it. I want like this. Okay. I want like this. What the? Brown. What is I? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, boom. Oh my. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Fuck you, I'm sorry. Sorry guys. That was so bad. Sorry guys. I'm too bad at this already. Let's go follow this girl. What did I say? Follow! Ay, follow yung sinabi ko. Kala ko follower. Okay. Tama ako. Tanga. Okay. Okay. So, thanks for maglalag ba ako? Hindi ako nakakaano nito. Like, ano na nangyari? Wait lang daw. What the fuck? Okay. Saan ka punta? To the tae. Okay. If namatayan ako dito, i-end ko na yung video, okay? I-end ko na yung video.